Welcome to Mobile Legends! First blood. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Savage.
Wiped out.
Victory!
Finally, we are victory. Yeah. Sir,
Yes.
what is that?
Oh, this is multimeter.
Oh, multimeter.
Yes.
Can I borrow this multimeter?
Sure.
Thank you. Sir, check your time.
Oh, you fine? Yes. Oh, I forget. Okay. Wait.
How to use it, Afiq? Do you know?
Like this.
I don't think so, Afiq. Let's search YouTube.
Hi, today I want to tell you about multimeter. This multimeter designed to measure electric current, AC/DC voltage, and resistor. Next, I want to tell you how to use it.
This range for measured AC voltage. Next range for measured ohm value. Then this range used for measured DC current. The last is for measured DC voltage. For a calibration, set the range into ohm value, then touch the positive and negative probe together. Set the range into ohm value and touch the positive and negative probe at resistor. Set the range in DC voltage, then touch the positive probe at the positive terminal of battery and the negative probe at the negative terminal of battery.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
But we don't talk anymore.